A very special good day to all my dear Indian people. I am Gopal from Kadalur West Media District Secretary. So I want to share something with you today onwards. So this is once again Tamil Nadu Communist Party. The day 2 days before they had conducted the protest against the central government about the price hike of petrol. I just asking one question to all of you, the Communist Party leaders. You know what is the difference between the state government and central government tax in the petrol hike rupees? You know very well. If you know, please come on argument with me. In the 2014, when the Congress government just threw out from the India, when the BJP came into the power in India, so what is the rupees of the price rupees of the petrol? You know, right now the 2021, at least a 7 years gap, the only 20 rupees. Then what about the economical status in India? Then why are you continuously focused only in the price about the petrol? So you know the very well. What about the Tamil Nadu construction? What is the price of the cement? What is the price of the brick? And what about related to the construction work materials? You know the price rupees of the construction work related to materials? You don't know anything because your party ideology is totally rejected from India and all over the world. I can some example. The Communist Party is totally removed from the Cuba. It is removed from the Russia. It is removed from China. It is removed from all over India. The right now in Kerala, it is a lost breathing. So you just mind it only one thing, dear Communist Party members. So whatever you just take any protest against central government, then why you didn't get any protest against the Tamil Nadu state government? Why? What is the reason? Because it is your alliance party. Because the Tamil Nadu communists are totally a selfish people. If you have the guts, please come to the road. Please just take the board and raise your board and just raise your voice against the state government about the building construction work materials price rupees is going to be a high level. You have any cuts? You have any cuts? Please come. Come and take the protest against the state government. You don't know everything in about what is going in the politics. You just go to watch the other world Australia medias. The Australia media is totally scolded Tamil Nadu government administration. Why you are not speaking? Why you are not speaking in front of the media? So please, dear communist leaders and communist workers, so please just you see the just evaluation to yourself first. Then come and argument and protest against central government. I don't know. I just totally your policy is totally away from the world within the year. So mind it. So my request to all my Indian people: don't believe that this kind of the communist leaders and their principles they are not eligible. I know very well because what about in the Kerala? In the Kerala, the communists totally against Rahul Gandhi. In what about in Tamil Nadu? They are just joined together with in the particular of the political stage meeting, and the communists strongly support for Rahul Gandhi and Congress. And what about in Kerala? So this is the communism. So please, my dear friends and my dear media viewers and all my dear Indian people, my small request to all of you: please don't believe these communist party leaders. Please come to the Bharatiya Janata Party. So communism is a history. Bharatiya Janata Party is your future. Thank you. Bharat Mata ki Jai. Jai Hind.